Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are delving into the captivating world of chandelier designs, showcasing a variety of styles that can elevate any space with elegance and sophistication. We will begin by exploring timeless crystal chandeliers that bring a touch of glamour to dining rooms and entryways. Next, we will be highlighting modern minimalistic designs that use sleek lines and innovative materials to create striking focal points. For those who appreciate unique artistry, we will feature eclectic and bespoke chandeliers crafted from unconventional materials like reclaimed wood, metal, and even glass bottles. We will also discuss how to choose the right chandelier size and style for different rooms, ensuring harmony and balance with your decor. So, friends, whether you are renovating your home or just looking for some inspiration, this video will guide you through the myriad possibilities of chandelier designs. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more designs. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.